Welcome to Urban Family Farming, your go-to urban farming YouTube channel to learn about urban farming. Today we shall be considering a do-it-yourself (DIY) making of raised beds for your vegetables. You can use containers like pots, plastics, bottles for your planting, especially if you do not have soil in your compound. But in a case where you desire to have more space and you only have concrete in your backyard, you can do raised beds for your vegetables. Creating a raised bed using 6-inch building blocks is a straightforward project that can provide a durable garden space. Here's a step-by-step guide for making your raised bed. Materials needed: 6-inch building blocks, which can be concrete, cinder, or decorative blocks, landscape fabric, which is optional, soil and compost mix, a level, a trowel or shovel, and a measuring tape. Step 1. Plan the location. Choose a location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. The area should be level and accessible for watering and maintenance. Step 2. Measure and outline. Decide on the size of the raised bed. A common size is 4 feet by 8 feet. Mark the outline on the ground. Step 3. Lay the building blocks. Start placing the building blocks along the marked outline, creating a rectangular frame. Make sure the blocks are snugly fitted together. You may use a level to ensure the line is straight. Step 4. Stack additional rows if you want a taller raised bed. Stack a second layer of blocks on top of the first. Offset the joints for stability, much like laying bricks. Step 5. Secure the structure. For extra stability, you can drive rebar or stakes through the holes in the blocks, anchoring them into the ground. Step 6. Add a weed barrier. Place landscape fabric at the bottom of the raised bed to prevent weeds from growing while allowing water to drain. Step 7. Fill with soil. Fill the raised bed with a quality soil and compost mix, leaving a couple of inches from the top edge of the blocks. This allows for water retention. Step 8. Plant your garden. Plan and arrange your plants according to their size and growth requirements. Water them thoroughly after planting. This method provides a sturdy structure for your garden while being relatively easy to execute. Plus, the blocks can add a decorative element to your outdoor space. Additional tips: ensure proper sunlight. Place the raised bed where it will receive sufficient sunlight throughout the day. Regular maintenance. Check drainage regularly to prevent waterlogging and top up the soil and nutrient content as needed. Consider mobility. If future movement is anticipated, construct the bed in sections that can be disassembled and reassembled. If you have enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Also like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can make more videos. Thank you and happy gardening.